Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing this ugly worn out key fob case on my Porsche key. We're going to upgrade it with a cool green color here because green is my favorite color. But we'll show you this whole process of getting this opened up and getting everything swapped over. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is pop the little metal key out, that little slider in the back, so we can get that out of there. And then there is a little screw right here, and that holds this little key ring in. So we're going to take that out. And then that'll slide out, kind of get that out of the way. And then we're going to start popping these plastics off. So I actually have a tool here. It's called the iSesamo tool. And I used to use this when I repaired cell phones. So can get in here and pop these plastics off. So you kind of just have to get in here and pry them up. Just get them released there. So that's that first side. We'll do this side here. Just like that. So we got that one off. Then we just have to get this middle one off here. Come back here. Get that popped off. That's the one that's really unsightly, guys. So this plastic chrome plated stuff, it's just all worn out and chipping off. And it looks like that front piece might have got stuck in there too. It might have broke, but that's okay because I'm not reusing that one. See how dirty that is? I'm going to go ahead and blow some air in there and clean that out before we put it all back together here. Alright guys, we do need to pop off the button area. On mine the little rubber piece came off first, but we do want to get this plastic piece off there. Then, as you'll see, pop this rubber right back around there if that came off for you guys. So get it all back on there like so. And then we're going to go ahead and put the centerpiece on first here. Start up front here, right by that. Get it around the little Porsche logo there. And there's little clips right here that you just have to get them to pop in the inside right there. Okay, so now we have our center section on. And now we can put this piece back in. It'll snap in place there. Just like that. We got that, and now we just need to pop our sides on here. I'm gonna go in from this angle. Go front first, get that piece on, and then we'll go to the back. That side. Like that, guys. We got a green key, and we just got to put a couple more pieces back together here. Put the little key ring piece in. Put our screw back in here. Put our metal key in, and there we go, guys. We have a green Porsche key. You can pretty much get it in whatever color you want. I've seen many colors out there, so I will have a couple of links to Amazon to where you can get these. cases. And then I'll also have a link for this tool if that is something you'd be interested in. But thanks again for tuning in, guys. Have a good one.